Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's March 11th, 2011. The news this morning, which I'm sure many of you heard already, is the earthquake in Japan, the tsunami that has damaged a large portion of that area, and it has impacted world markets as we've seen grain markets under a tremendous amount of pressure here. Crude oil down almost $3 right now. A lot of pressure in these markets because of the uncertainty, the amount of damage over there, how it's going to disrupt consumption, production, and energy use as far as that goes. So that is impacting grain markets, and as we've seen overnight, we've seen a sharp break. We ended the corn market down about 19, beans down 30 or so. This after a limit down move in corn at one point in time on a technical reaction as much as anything, as we took out some key chart points, helped pressure this market to the downside. The bottom line is we still have the fundamental issues that we have to deal with. Planted acreage, which is coming up here very soon, the USDA report at the end of this month. Those factors are still extremely important. Curbing demand, price has a way of curbing demand at these lower prices. We should see commercials, end users step up to the plate, get some purchases made during this period of time of sell-off. So once the things settle down here, we get a better handle on the damage in the area, how it might affect the overall usage. I think we'll see markets firm up again. We've already seen that in the stock market here this morning. Stock markets around the world were down hard, and since have come back and trading near unchanged at this point in time. Dollar is up 3 ticks at this time. Nothing real dramatic there. Other news that's out is the UK put out their PPI numbers this morning, showed that they had inflation increasing. They're at the highest level that they've been in over 2 years. So we are the concern there is causing some pressure on the market as well. China also reported their inflation numbers, still very high compared to where they would like to be. So you would expect, traders are expecting that they're going to take some aggressiveness in trying to control that inflation. That's what we've got to deal with here in the next few weeks. Closer to home, the prospective plantings number coming out on March 31st is going to be a focus of traders, and something that will be talked about in great length here over the next several weeks. Allendale is just completing our survey of farmers. We are going to release our numbers next Wednesday in a live webinar that you can sign up for on our website. Get it live at 10 o'clock next Wednesday morning, the March 16th. So go ahead and sign up for that, as we do have a limited number of people that can attend that. The other news is the Day of Rage in Saudi Arabia. That's certainly been overshadowed with the concern in Japan and the earthquake there. But some of the reports out of Saudi Arabia here this morning are suggesting that the volume of supporters, protesters, are just not there, not like they were in Egypt and Libya, for instance. So maybe not as much of an impact there, and certainly you're not going to get the overall news attention because of the earthquake. So that might be good in retrospect. The grain markets this morning, I think, we're certainly going to be under pressure here as we open. Would expect that we could see some buying come in here. Again, the close is going to be extremely important. If we close on the lower third of the trading range here today, probably going to get some more fun selling, because the charts are going to be indicating some negative signals there as we go into a Friday. So watch that very closely. The livestock markets, they're under pressure as well. Traders and funds and money managers are all in a liquidation mode here early today. However, we had some good numbers in the product side yesterday. Choice up 184, select up 141. We did have hog cutout values down a little bit, 42 cents yesterday. So expect a volatility today, and I would suggest stay in touch with Allendale. Check us out on Twitter. We will be tweeting from time to time during the day, keeping you informed there. Or just give us a call here at 800-262-7538. We'll keep you informed the best we can, and we wish you a very successful trading day, safe weekend. We'll talk to you Monday morning. Thank you.